Hello guys! Welcome back to Bugs Kitchen's channel, and today's video ay gagawa po tayo ng lotus root salad. And of course, our main ingredients is lotus root. Balatan lang po natin yan. And then, hinati ko po yun sa gitna. And then, hiniwa ko lang siya ng mga manipis. At pagkatapos hiwain, ilagay natin sa tubig. Isok lamang po natin yan. Tapos mapakulo po tayo ng tubig. Lagyan ng asin at saka vinegar. And iba-blanch po natin siya ng 30 seconds. And then hanguin at ilagay sa malamig na tubig. At mag-prepare po tayo ng minced garlic and sliced chili and spring onion. So, drain na po natin yung ating lotus root, and for the sauce, mag-prepare po tayo ng sizzling oil. Ilagay natin sa ating minced garlic and chili. And then we're going to add the light soy sauce, around 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon lang
and a little bit of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon.
Konti lang yun.
Add 1 teaspoon sugar.
Ayun, sugar ng
then mix it well. And maglagay po tayo ng 1 tablespoon black vinegar or white vinegar will do. Add a spring onion and mix it well. And add the sauce that we prepared, and that's it. For our presentation, I didn't mix it, but afterwards I mix it and ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Bye.